See how this boy take go carry lizard go meet babalawo. Now babalawo come do some things wey do for am. He carry am go meet him madam. Anything wey this boy tell him madam, na him madam dey do. Welcome back to Officer Justice Day. Today na the first time wey you dey see me. Abeg, may you no forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure say you share this video. See here, we bring am to our community. May they decide wetin go happen and may they judge wetin dey happen. So I wanted to show you this video of how this boy take go bring charm come from village, come go in madam wey carry am. So for most of una wey dey carry housemaid, abeg una dey be very careful. Make una dey be very vigilant and careful so that you no go end up for this matter. Thank God say the woman no buy. The other one who we talk before, the woman buy, but this one you no buy. So na command in user the commander. Who say the other one do the same? If for them better than to buy the woman, carry something to put for the woman. So now I want you to watch this video. Most of now don't understand Igbo. Don't worry, I'll still explain at the end of this video. Watch the video before we come back. Continue.
Una fugonia na makani na akpọta med ebe ọbụla ha fu med na aga kpọlụ si na achọrọ med iman dress ọfụma ife ịkpọta house help. Una fugo this guy nna ka afa gị kwụsị okwu ike Emmanuel oye Emmanuel Ezechukwu oye ebe ka ịbụ oye Ebonyi State. Which side of Ebonyi? Which side of Ebonyi? Afikpo. Kinye aiji kpọta gị tata ka ihe email na-ekwu okwu kwụsị okwu my friend ka ihe email ikechi madam gị ka efidu ekechi madam gị ka wente ya ọsọ jido ngwele aka ọkọ ịsọ jido dati ngwele ka anyị na-afịa wenye ya enu ma akwụkwugo wente dati ngwele wenye enu na-egosi ya kamera iji ngwele akechi madam gị ka ebe isi wee kechi madam gị ka ebe ị nọ wee kechi ya ọ bụla gị kechi madam gị ka wee kechi ya your parents. Excuse you, your parents kechi ya before ị bịa ebe a. Wait, keep up with their reason. I don't know you know come up with this. Madam, I wish no will you na gasa. Can you breathe your parents? Keep up with your reason. Your parents do kechi madam. Away fa abu n'obi. Like kechi madam gị ego. Kusokwu ike isi gịnị? Isi gịnị? Kusokwu ike isi n'ịchọ gịnị? Ihe ọbụla ịchọ ka madam mụ na-emeli gị ya ka eji kechi ya na ngwela. Madam isi na ọ na-anaghị ego ọgọ so chere owe nchọ ịghọta egi na madam gị so ịgwa ngwela okwu ị gakwa madam kọwala anyị okay iburu gwa m ngwere okwu bifi wee je gwa madam gị okwu and ntọ isi ogwu ya ka eso eme gwa ya eziokwu niile dị ebe anyị na-akụghị ife ebe a kịta oge ekụghị ife ebe a ọ bụrụ ikwe eziokwu mpịawa gị isi o wepụta ego a ego na-dị ebe a saatị akpa gị ọfụma ego na-atago madam gị madam na-enye gị nri ka ebe ibi ọ na-abịa ka ibi madam na-enye gị nri ibi na-abịa ego na-dị ebe a 30,000. How many days ka gị na madam gị anọgo? Just 1 week. 1 week. Ichere ke ọ na village biko ego na ka ọ na-akwụ gị ego na-ekwu mere agri ọ na-akwụ n'ụgwọ 20,000 every month. Is to go 30,000 likwu ụfọdụ eri within 1 week. Madam ka ebe dị gị nọ okay awesome. Na ya akwa gee ntị ifugodi madam kemgbe ịbịala ebe a anyị ama nkụ gị ife ọbụla but anyị ma metụ gị aka ọbụla emetụ gị aka atụ n'ụjọ anyị ga-akpọ gị aga na police station he make a statement. Then listen, he make a statement. Okay, dear Batazi, I'm going to handle this case. Now, a man launa cell in an yen na kita. Di madam, but madam, digi bata, I continue this case. Now, because you know, shut up. Then, you got all your parents na phone kita. Are you getting me? You boy your parents na phone. Your parents were from now till tomorrow in Oboda. Are you getting me now? Your parents were from now till tomorrow in Oboda. Yes, sir. Are you getting me? Kaimaluzie, what happens? Then from there, take the case. Madam, digi bata, you got digi na phone. See an bata. You keep on go digi. Okay, digi. What digi na phone? Anyway, can cut to video. Kai what digi na phone. Digi ya no kita. Digi ya not from a bob no. Or ya you go ahead order. Now, call your parents. You gonna kiss now, dear Deba. You gonna kiss now, Deba. 30,000. Now what to do? What to go? Go the money. The mother will love you. You guys have mind. So be quaggy. Somebody near you. Or when you want to ask it, I know I can madam made. Those 30,000. So keep where got the motor. I got police station. Got the statement. Madam, this yes I go. You go because them tell this. Or the car na put ba. Because them tell na put. Can your parents go there? I'm gonna get you. The thing they got more than 4 parents together. More personally, I pop target. The police you were in mind.
Welcome back. As you don't watch that video, see how this young man go carry this thing been for Babalawo. One day they remove him, madam. When madam they do everything. He go tell madam say send money, madam go send money give him. He will tell madam anything. This they happen. Tell me waiting give this small boy this kind of heart to behave like this. My people, e no good though. E no good. So now I want you people to tell me what you think say go happen to this guy. They will carry and go put for Kirikiri, or do you think till I just flog her or to push her come out for the house? I beg, may you not forget to share and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Thank you for watching.